We are going to play with the overlapping strategy to generate a design there. So let's create different colors. So there we will find a new design there. I will have that blue color shape. So let's find the further design to make it add some attraction. There we are to make it. I will add a design there. Keep on making the shapes.